कोई पीड़ा, ना कोई रोग, जब जीवन में है योग।
Namaskar everyone. Today is 21st of June and it is celebrated as International Yoga Day. योग कोई धर्म नहीं है। योग एक विज्ञान है, स्वस्थ रहने का विज्ञान, मन और आत्मा को संगठित करने का विज्ञान।
Yoga is more than just physical postures. It's a journey of self-discovery that increases our focus power and concentration. It helps reduce our mental stress and anxiety. It helps in our overall development and in our flexibility.
Rooted in Indian philosophy, it offers a path to mental, physical and spiritual harmony through postures. In the end, I just want to conclude that don't just celebrate Yoga Day on 21st of June. It is something that you have to carry through your life. Thank you. Namaskar.